Hi, today, we will show you how to refill gas cylinders safely at an LPG gas plant. Follow these steps to do it correctly and safely. Let's start. Step 1. First, remove leftover air inside any gas cylinder before refilling. This step is very important. It removes air and makes the refill process better and safer. Step 2. Insert the nozzle into the cylinder's valve. Make sure it is tight so there are no leaks. Step 3. Enter the customer's refill amount or price on the dispenser screen. Check it to make sure the numbers are correct. Step 4. Start the refill. Watch the gauge on the machine while it fills the cylinder. If the refill stops in the middle, don't worry. First, remove the nozzle carefully. Purge the air from the cylinder again. Then, reinsert the nozzle and restart the refill process. When the refill is done, turn off the nozzle valve to stop the gas.